Hello, my dear students. This is mock test 1 Geography, India size and location. So, today in this video, we will discuss most important 25 multiple choice questions which will be very helpful to get good marks in your final exams 2021. So, question number 1, a narrow channel of sea which separates two land masses, that is known as strait, and the same type of strait also separate India from Sri Lanka, that is Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Then question number 2, China is dash largest country in the world. So I will tell you first 7 countries according to their size in the world, and these are Russia, this is the biggest country in the world, then Canada, third is USA, then fourth is China, fifth is Brazil, at number 6 this is Australia, and at number 7th our country India. So from this list we can see China is getting 4th place. Then question number 3, the sun rays fall vertically on Tropic of Cancer on 21st June, and 21st June also known as the longest day in the northern hemisphere. Then question number 4, which of the following is the southernmost latitude of Indian mainland? As we know, Indian mainland is extended in between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes. But when they asking southernmost or northernmost, then for southernmost we have to mention 8 degree 4 minute south, and for northernmost it should be 37 degree 6 minute north. Then question number 5th, when was Indira Point submerged under water? So Indira Point, this is the southernmost point of India, and this was submerged into water in 2004 during a tsunami. Then question number 6, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh the time lag is approximately 2 hours. So from Gujarat in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east, the number of longitudes are 30, and as we know 1 degree of longitude is equal to 4 minutes, and there are 30 numbers, so 4 into 30 is equal to 120 minutes, and 120 minutes will be converted into 2 hours. Then question number 7th, what is the north-south extent of India? That is 3214 kilometers. Then question number 8th, the land mass of India has dash million square kilometer of area. So India is getting 3.28 square kilometer area in the world, and its place according to size, that is 7th. Then question number 9th, what is the standard meridian of India? So standard meridian of India is 82 degree 30 minute east, which passes through middle of the country, Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. Then question number 10, what is the latitudinal extent of India? So latitudinal extent of our country is 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree 6 minute, and India is entirely in northern eastern hemisphere. Then question number 11th, the southernmost point of India mainland. So the southernmost point of India mainland is Kanyakumari. The difference between Kanyakumari and Indira Point, that Indira Point is the southernmost point of India into the Indian Ocean, as Kanyakumari is the southernmost point of India on mainland. Then question number 12, which countries share land boundary with India in the west? So that is Pakistan. And along with Pakistan, one more country is also there, that is Afghanistan. Then question number 13, what is IST? So IST stands for Indian Standard Time, and that is 82 degree 30 minute east, which passes through middle of the country, Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. Then question number 14, which is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? So the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. Then question number 15, the east-west extent of India is 2,933 kilometer, and this is also a reason for the time lag of 2 hours from western side to eastern side of India. Then question number 16, India lies in which hemisphere? As we know, due to India's latitudinal and longitudinal extent, our country entirely in northern eastern hemisphere. Then question number 17, Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. So Tropic of Cancer generally pass through 8 Indian states, and these are Gujarat, then Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Tripura, and Mizoram. And from these 8 groups, Odisha is the state of India in which Tropic of Cancer does not pass. Then question number 18, the westernmost longitude of India is, so the longitudinal extension of India is 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minutes. But when they are asking westernmost or easternmost, then westernmost should be 68 degree 7 minute west and easternmost 97 degree 25 minute east. Then question number 19, Indian state with the longest coastline on the eastern coast, so that is Andhra Pradesh, and the total coastline of India is 7517 kilometer. But if they are asking longest coastline on Indian state on western coast, so that should be Gujarat, and Gujarat is the only state in India with the longest coastline. Then question number 20, latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is 30 degree. That means the number of latitudes from north to south and the number of longitudes from west to east. These are 30. Then question number 21, Karavati is in Lakshadweep. So Karavati is the capital of Lakshadweep UT, and Lakshadweep UT is the smallest union territory in India. Then question number 22, India is dash largest country in the world. So India is getting 7th place in the world with 3.28 square kilometer of area. Then question number 23, Suez Canal was opened in the year 1869, and Suez Canal connected two water bodies, that is Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. And after the opening of Suez Canal, the distance from India to Europe reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Then question number 24, the total length of the coastline of India mainland including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep is, that is 7516.6 kilometers. Then question number 25, India has dash number of states and number of union territory. So presently India has 28 states and 8 union territories. If you like the video, then press the like button, do share with your friends, and for more updates do subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.